the gold, just a little. So essentially that's about the mix that I have. A little bit of water and a damp flat brush. Mix that up really well because I want sort of a corally red, shimmery glaze color. Alright, so that's essentially what I have. It's very, very pretty. And I'm going to go over this, remove some of the paint on the side. So I just have a little bit. I'm going to lay my brush flat and I'm going to go over this like this. So I'm not just swiping back and forth. I'm picking up bits of color and dropping them onto some of that surface texture that we laid down. So it's not just white and going around. Now, if you wanted to, of course, you could just sort of swipe color on if you wanted to do that and just cover that entire or almost entire surface of white, letting some of it come through, and that's pretty as well. You could do a little bit of both. You could just leave the white. If you really like the white, you got a good amount on and you think it looks best, then skip this section and just go to the next section. But at this point, you're going to have two different options with this painting. So after this section, we're going to do some highlights.